We are a custom metal fabricator. We specialize in miscellaneous and ornamental metals for commercial construction primarily. We have been around a while. We were founded in 1893. Upper management has over 200 years experience with our company combined. We are one of the oldest companies in Houston that has continuously been in business. We have done 3 presidential libraries. We have done the restoration and expansion of the state capitol here in Texas. In fact, we are one of the few subcontractors that worked on all 3 phases of that. We have worked in pretty much every high-rise building in downtown Houston, the Galleria, and Greenway Plaza.
We can do 400-ton structures down to what I like to call the building jewelry. It's the ornamental side. We've been with Sawblade.com ever since their inception. In fact, we were their 2nd customer. It's been great. Their service is second to none, and depending on what materials our customers need, they have a blade that suits us.
Our people are what makes the difference for us. Their techniques, the things they bring to the table and develop here with us and pass down. We have guys that have been working for us whose father had worked for us. And so he learned from his father. And that craftsmanship is hard to teach someone from scratch. I can remember taking my sons when they were little to some of our job sites where something was being erected on a weekend or flown in with a helicopter, and took so much pride in driving down the road. And one of my children says to his buddy in the car, "Hey, my dad built that building." And it's hands-on. It's something you can see, touch. It's not just an idea. We take ideas and we make them real.